Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12 Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start Chapter 3 Advanced JavaScript Part 1. In this chapter number 3 Advanced JavaScript, you will learn features of JavaScript, difference between client-side scripting and server-side scripting, looping structures, DOM, document object model objects, and window objects in JavaScript, inbuilt objects such as string, mass, array, date, and number object with its properties and methods. Also, you will see simple JavaScript programs to do validations and user interaction. Let's start with the introduction. There is variety of scripting languages used to develop dynamic websites. JavaScript is an interpreted scripting language. An interpreted language is a type of programming language that executes its instructions directly and freely without compiling machine language instructions. In previous program is a set of instructions used to produce various kind of outputs. JavaScript was initially created to make web page alive. The programs in this language are called scripts. In short, JavaScript is most important and useful scripting language in software development. Features of JavaScript. In 11th standard, we have already discussed some important features of JavaScript. JavaScript is lightweight scripting language because it does not support all features of object-oriented programming languages. Means JavaScript supports some features of object-oriented programming languages. No need of special software to run JavaScript programs. JavaScript is object-oriented scripting language and it supports event-based programming facility. It is case-sensitive language. Means uppercase and lowercase letters are different in JavaScript. That's why JavaScript is a case-sensitive language. JavaScript helps the browser to perform input validation without wasting the user's time by the web server access. So JavaScript is most used for client-side validations. It can handle date and time very effectively. There are different date and time related functions exist in JavaScript. So you can effectively handle date and time by using the JavaScript. Most of the JavaScript control statement syntax is same as syntax of control statements in other programming language like C, C++, etc. An important part of JavaScript is the ability to create new functions, that is user-defined functions within script. Declare a function in JavaScript using function keyword. So you can create your own function by using the JavaScript as per your requirement and use it to save the time. Software that can run on any hardware platform such as PC, Mac, Sunsphere, etc. or software platform such as Windows, Linux, Mac, OS, etc. is called as platform independent software. JavaScript is a platform independent scripting language. Any JavaScript enabled browser can understand and interpret JavaScript code. Due to different features, JavaScript is known as universal scripting language, means universal client-side scripting language. It supports all the hardware platforms and different software platforms. Also, it runs on any browser and any versions of browser. That's why it is a universal client-side scripting language. There are two types of scripting: server-side scripting and client-side scripting. Client-side scripting. In this type, the script resides on the client machine, that is client computer, means browser, and that can run on the client, means client machine. Basically, these types of scripts are placed inside an HTML document. Server-side scripting. In this type, the script resides on the web server. To execute this script, it must be activated by client, then it is executed on the web server. Let's see the difference between server-side scripting and client-side scripting. First difference: server-side scripting is used at the back end, where the source code is not visible or hidden at the client side, means on the browser. On the other hand, client-side scripting is used at the front end, which users can see from the browser. So, server-side scripting is more secure than client-side scripting. Second difference: when a server-side script is processed, it communicates to the server, as against client-side scripting does not need any server interaction, means server-side script need client-side interaction. Third difference is the client-side scripting language involves languages such as HTML5, JavaScript, etc. In contrast, programming languages such as PHP, ASP.NET, Ruby, Cold Fusion, Python, C#, etc. are server-side scripting languages. Fourth difference: server-side scripting is useful in customizing the web pages and implements the dynamic changes in the websites. Conversely, the client-side scripts are generally used for validation purpose and effectively minimize the load to the server. And last difference 5: special software, that is web server software, is required to execute server-side scripts, whereas client-side script requires web browser as an interface. So these are some differences between server-side scripting and client-side scripting. Students, there are some popular framework or libraries. AngularJS. It is a JavaScript-based open-source front-end web framework developed mainly for single-page application. Vue.js. It is JavaScript-based framework for building interactive user interface, that is UI. It can be easily integrated with other projects and libraries. React. It consists of JavaScript libraries for building user interface for single page application and mobile application. Next important part is switch case and looping structures. Students, previous year we have learned different basic syntax of JavaScript such as variable, declaration, if structure, function, etc. Let us learn some extra features. Switch case statement. JavaScript has a built-in multi-way decision statement known as switch. The switch statement tests the value of a given expression against a list of case values, and when match is found, a block of statement associated with that case is executed. There should not be duplicity between the cases. The value for the case must be similar data types as the variable in switch. The default statement is not mandatory. Let's see the syntax of switch statement. Here there is a switch statement, then open parenthesis, pass expression, close parenthesis, open curly braces, open the body of switch statement, mention case value 1, in next line mention statement block 1, use break statement. Next, mention case value 2. Next line, statement block 2, break statement. Likewise, case value n, statement block n, use break. And at last, use default and statement block, close curly braces. Default statement is not mandatory. Let's see one example of switch case statement. This is a program to display weekday name according to the input day value. Write doc type HTML, open head tag, title tag, give a title JavaScript program, close title, close head, open body section by using body tag. Next line, use h1 tag to display the heading. Use of switch case, close h1. In next line, mention script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. Then in next line, declare one variable by using var, day equal to 6, initialize day variable as 6. Then in next line, write switch statement, pass day variable, open curly braces, mention case 1 as alert Monday, break, case 2 alert Tuesday, break, case 3 alert Wednesday, break, case 4 alert Thursday, break, case 5 alert Friday, break, case 6 alert Saturday, break, case 7 alert Sunday, break. Mention the default statement, default alert invalid day, close script tag, close body tag and close HTML tag. Save the program and execute on the browser. You will get this output. The figure shows Saturday because the value of day is 6, so it matches with the case 6 where alert is Saturday, so it will show alert box with Saturday and one OK button. So this is one of the simple example of switch case statement. Student, please note, language attribute of script is replaced by type attribute in all the programs as it is standardized. In our next part, we will see the looping statements, for loop, while loop, break statement, continue statement. Break statement we have already used in switch case statement. Also, we will see the objects in JavaScript. Also, we will discuss about DOM, Document Object Model, W3C, World Wide Web Consortium, hierarchy of Document Object Model. We will continue in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.